Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're checking out the MEEPO Campus V3 NV electric skateboard, a high-performance electric longboard designed for commuting, cruising, and fun rides for both beginners and experienced riders. This board delivers a top speed of up to 29 miles per hour, making it a powerful option for those who want fast and smooth rides whether you're commuting or just enjoying a cruise around town. It features a 4-speed mode system, allowing you to adjust performance based on your skill level. Beginners can start slow and stable, while advanced riders can unlock higher speeds for a more thrilling experience. The included wireless remote control gives you full control over acceleration and braking. The braking system is designed to be smooth and responsive, helping you ride with confidence and safety. One of the practical design features is the easy carry handle, making it more convenient to transport the board when you're not riding, especially useful for commuting or carrying it indoors. The board is built for stability and durability, offering a comfortable riding experience for both teens and adults. It's suitable for daily commuting, campus travel, or casual riding sessions. Overall, the MEEPO Campus V3 NV electric skateboard delivers strong speed performance, smooth control, and practical portability features, making it a great choice for riders looking for a reliable and fun electric skateboard. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.